Want to know how to remove restricted mode on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove restricted mode in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option at the bottom. Likewise, under the content and display section, tap on the content preference option. Similarly, tap on the restricted mode option at the second. Here, tap on the turn off button. Now, the TikTok team will inquire you regarding what made you turn off the restricted mode. Select the reason and tap on the submit button. Furthermore, you will need to enter your passcode. Finally, after entering your passcode, tap on the next button. So this is how you can remove restricted mode on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.